So climbing down the bilge. Additionally, I'm going to use this safety feature, which keeps the hatch up if something should happen in the ram. So let's give that a shot. I'm just going to put it out there so at least it will catch if there was a failure. So 4 new batteries. We'll get the battery switch on and we'll test her out. All right, now to get the battery switches on, go down in a little trusty hatch, switch them to on. But you can go to emergency start by simply pushing them up to the top. Then that combines everything. Of course, you always want to run your blower for 3 to 5 minutes. Check the voltage on these. They look a little low. Give them a second to settle. Might need to charge them. We'll go ahead and try it without charging first. Success on the port. Now the starboard. Success on the starboard. We have power.